Introducing Speed Networking by Eventdex. Allow your attendees an innovative way to interact and build new connections, even when meeting in person is not possible. Help them build relationships and efficiently connect with the people like never before. Here's how you do it. Number 1, confirm your presence before you start your speed networking. Number 2, get matched with your potential customers and join a real-time video conversation. Number 3, you will be able to chat and exchange virtual business cards with them. Number 4, continue working with other potential matches and make new connections. It's that simple. Spark meaningful conversations with Eventdex Virtual Speed Networking Platform.